Morning, friends. So, in the last class, we are in the topic menstruation. We did few problems also. Meanwhile, I gave a similar question to you to do as the homework. Have you read it, friends? Can I get any option from you? Have you read it? Yes or no? Or if yes, what is the answer? Completed everyone. Someone is saying okay. Only one student has given the reply. Okay, fine. What was the last question, students? One question I left over yesterday, and I told other question which is similar to that one. That's the fourth question I told you. I think
अपडेट क्या सर ये मैसेज చూసుకోవడానికి
So question number that you read is question number 5 is it, students? Question number 5 you have to go with now. The question is your fourth and sixth we did to find the ratio. We'll go with question number 5. A self-help group want to manufacture caps of 3 centimeters, radius and height 4 centimeters. If available paper sheet is 1000 centimeters square, then how many caps can be manufactured from that sheet? So what is the sheet that we have available with us? 1000 centimeters square paper sheet is available. We have to make caps of radius 3 and height 4. Then how many number of caps we can able to prepare with the given measurements in the 1000 sheet? So given radius of the cap are equal to 3 centimeters. Height of 4 centimeters. Because this is quite because it's the Pythagoras triplet. L equal to under root r square plus h square. L equal to under root 3 square plus 4 square. L equals to 5 centimeters. So first find CSA 1 cap. What is the formula for CSA? Pi r L. Formula for CSA pi r L. So which is equals to 22 by 7 into 3 into 5. Now friends, it's now calculation part started to you. Now you say the value, this is equal to how much? Calculate it. But with the 7 table, you will get in decimal, multiply with 22. And put in the chart box the value. Because here only most of the students are doing mistake. Here only most of the students are doing mistake in the mensuration. There is nothing but calculation part. So we are getting approximately 47.1014 centimeters square. How many caps you have to prepare? Number of caps that can make out of how much sheet? 1000 centimeters square sheet. That is 1000. Each cap is taking how much measurement, student? Curved surface area of one cap equal to 47.10. So divided with 47.10. We have to write 0 here. Now you say it as an answer to the calculation. Do the calculation. Yeah, already did. Only one answer. Anyone more? Is it 21 or approximately equal to 21? So media, how many we are getting? Actually, I am getting 21.27. So this is equal to 21 approximately. Therefore, number of caps which we can prepare with a given 100,000 centimeters square sheet paper or 21 in number. How many we can prepare? 21. What the question here has given is, he has given we have to prepare a cap of height 4 and radius 3 centimeters. Okay. How many you can able to prepare with these dimensions? How many number of caps you can prepare with these dimensions? If the number of sheet given to is 1000 centimeters square paper, with that paper, how many you can prepare? So you found the value of CSA of 1 cap. CSA of 1 cap. So what is the sheet that we have with us? 1000 centimeters square. 1000 by each cap is taking 47 centimeters. So divided by 47, we got 21.27. Approximately this is equal to 21 caps. Does the answer it was? Take a screenshot. Is it clear to everyone? The last 10 minutes remind me, students will have another session to go. And we did already the sixth question. Seventh one. A solid iron rod has a cylindrical shape. Its height is 11 centimeters. Base diameter 7. Then find total surface area of 50 rods. Previous it was how many you can make with 1000 centimeters square paper sheet. Now to prepare 50 rods with this dimension, what is the total volume that is required? So what is the given? Diameter of cylinder. Whenever it is given diameter to you, my dear, your responsibility to convert into radius. R equals to B by 2. That is 11 by 7 by 2, which is equals to 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. Next, height of cylinder 11 centimeters. Now come to the volume of cylinder. What is the formula for volume of cylinder? Pi R square H. Subscribe value for this one 22 by 7. 3.5 into 3.5 into H is 11. So go to math max solution 7 1 ja 0.5 ja. We'll do it into, we'll make somewhat easier. 0.5 can be as how much students? You can add 1 by 2. 3.5 into 11. 2 1 ja 2 11 ja. See how I'm doing. 11 11 ja 121 into 3.5. Again 3.5 into 121. Multiply this 2. Multiply this 2 and tell the answer. You got the answer. Third box. No one answer.
123.5.
If you have the student, that is 423.5 centimeter cube. This is the volume of one cylindrical rod. Then volume of 50 rods is equal to 50 into 423.5, which is equal to 21,175 centimeter. This is the volume to prepare, total volume to prepare 50 cylinders of the given dimension of height 11 and radius 3.5. If it is this one also, you can prepare. Then the volume of 50 rods will be how much? 21,175 centimeter. What we did? First, we found out the volume of one cylinder. We got it as 423.5. Then we are finding the volume of 50 cylinders. So 50 into 423.5 is the required. How much time left over? Shall we go for the next? Sum is small, 2 more sums only there, but I'm not getting time for discuss about attendance and the quiz better. Let me share with this stuff. Be back. Let's go. Yes, friends, all of you fill up this one. This is the attendance sheet. In the second one is the Google form. Two I have sent to you in the chat box. You can start doing of that one. First to fill up the attendance. It's not a big matter. First to fill up the attendance form. It's not a big matter. After filling the attendance form only, go for the Google form. If you want, I can send that in the group also. I will see how many will do the questions of this session of the mensuration. Today I prepared most of the questions only on the ratios. సార్ గూగుల్ ఫామ్ ఓపెన్ చేయడానికి వస్తుంది మళ్ళీ ఎవరైతే సబ్మిట్ చేస్తారు ఈ ప్రైవేట్ వచ్చి కూర్చొని ఎగ్జామ్ పెట్టాలి గూగుల్ ఫామ్ ఓపెన్ చేయడానికి వస్తుంది నేనే చేసిన ఈ మొబైల్ ఇచ్చిన ఇది తర్వాత
ఇప్పుడు ఫామ్ ఎవరు క్రియేట్ చేసింది
నేనే చేసిన తమ్ముడు
చేస్తే డ్రైవ్ లోకి వెళ్ళండి డ్రైవ్ లో ఓపెన్ చేస్తే మనకు అక్కడ రెస్పాన్సెస్
ఈయన నేను పెట్టలే కదా కొలాబరేట్
నేను అంటాను
దాన్ని షేర్ చేయొచ్చు
అంటే ఎవరెవరు చేసారు అంటే
చేసుకోండి
అది మీకు తెలుస్తుంది ఇంకా ఇందులో మీటింగ్ లో జాయిన్ అయ్యి పెట్టేసి 10 minutes
అవును అందుకే డ్రైవ్ లో ఇప్పుడు ఇదేనా ఇది చూడండి ఫస్ట్
లాస్ట్
Student, you have there name of the student. If you write that one, I can share the score to you. Please write your name also. In the Google form, I mentioned name of the student also.
షేర్ అంటే మీరు జాయిన్ అవ్వండి ఈ లింక్ వాళ్ళకి పెట్టండి మీటింగ్ లో జాయిన్
Write your name in the Google form. If not, we can't able to see the result. It is. ఎందుకు చూపిద్దాం
ట్రై చేయండి
Must you open the link, friends?
System of posted. Display వస్తుంది. మెయిల్కి వస్తుందా? రాలేదు. రెస్పాన్స్ లేదు. చూద్దాం వెళ్తాం లాస్ట్. ఇది ఓట్లేదు సురేష్ మళ్ళా. రెస్పాన్సెస్ పోవట్లేదు పిల్లలకు. చేసి సురేష్ నేను పెట్టిన రాష్ట్రం అంతా ఏ రాష్ట్రం అర్థమవుతుంది. నేను స్టూడెంట్ ఫస్ట్ వీళ్ళు ఉంది కదా సురేష్ గారు క్వశ్చన్ చూపిస్తుంది. Name of the student. Objection. అదే అర్థం కదా. అసలు డిఫాల్ట్ తీసుకోవాల్సిన విషయం ఎంతసేపు వస్తున్నారు కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ చేయాలి. లేదు దేంట్లో ఆంధ్రస్కుందా చూడు నువ్వు కావాలి. రావండి ఎప్పుడు పెట్టుకున్నా డిఫాల్ట్ అన్న అది రావండి కదా. అది ఇవల్ల వచ్చేది తీసుకురాదు మొత్తానికి. ఆయన పొలాలు కూడా వేస్తున్నాం మరి లేదు
అయినా కానీ సార్ అది కంపల్సరీ క్వశ్చన్ కాబట్టి రాయాలి. రాస్తే ఖచ్చితంగా మనం డిస్ప్లే కావాలి. అది ఎందుకంటే యాక్సెస్ అంటే సార్
అదే అంటారు. ఇల్లు వస్తుంది యాక్సెస్ అని పంపించడం నీకు మెయిల్కి వస్తుందా? రైట్ ద నేమ్ అన్నది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ రైటింగ్ ద నేమ్ అని చెప్పాను ఇట్లా మార్కులు వచ్చేవారు కన్సల్ట్ రోడ్ ద నేమ్స్ అని మాట్లాడుతుంది ఇది రికార్డింగ్ పంపించదు